Hello, you're welcome to my channel once again. And in this video, I want to show us how to confirm your card on PayPal. How to confirm your card. This is the continuation of the video we made the other day on how to link your bank card to your PayPal account. How to link your bank card to your PayPal account. So we linked the card and it was left to verify. So today we are going to be looking at how to verify your card on PayPal. So we'll go back to this point, take on pay and get paid. You go to banks and cards. It's going to take us to where we have the card. You can see the card here is pending confirmation. So we're going to click on the card. We're going to click on the card. This particular card is a virtual card. If it's a bank card, then you're supposed to receive the code from your bank. Right, you're supposed to receive your code from your bank showing the code that you're going to enter here in order to be able to verify or to confirm your card. So here we are going to click on enter confirmation code. Enter code to confirm your card. So click here. It's going to take us here. So we have to enter the 4-digit codes here. So now this is an Eversend card, virtual. So we're going to head on to a card provider. As you are on the app, you're going to go to cards. Going to go to cards. If you don't have a card, you can use this as well, Eversend. So this is the card I used to link. And then you go to transactions. If it's a bank card, they will obviously send you an SMS to your phone number having that particular code in it. So you can see here, you go to transactions and then you can see PayPal. See PayPal here. I'm going to click on it. You can see they deducted $1.95. So scroll down, you're going to see payment code here. You can see the payment code. So we're going to copy that code and then we enter it here. And then we take on confirm. We're going to click on confirm here. You can see your Visa card has been confirmed. So this card is confirmed. So now you can be able to go ahead and do your transactions with this card with no issue. And you can also withdraw your funds to this card. So that is it. So we can go back. You're going to see that the card is confirmed. Scroll down, you see card here is confirmed. So it's ready for transactions. So that is it for this video, and in our next video I'm going to show us practically how to transfer funds. So we're going to do a transfer of funds from the PayPal account to the card, and from the card to mobile money. Thank you for watching this far, and please stay connected so that you get the next video, how to transfer funds to your mobile money. God bless you, and see you in our next video.